Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ENS records with GoDaddy account integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring ENS records with your GoDaddy account, first, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. In the My Products section, locate the domain you wish to restore ENS records for. Click on the domain name to open the domain management page. Now, look for the DNS settings option. Click on the DNS button to access your domain's DNS management page. Scroll down to find the records currently associated with your domain. To restore ENS records, you will need to add new records. Click on the Add button. Select the type of record you want to add, in this case, choose TXT. In the Host field, enter the relevant host information for the ENS record. In the Value field, input the ENS record data you wish to restore. Ensure that the TTL is set appropriately, often the default value is sufficient. After entering all necessary information, click Save to add the record. Repeat the process if you need to add multiple ENS records. Once you have added all required records, review your entries for accuracy. Confirm that all records are saved and appear correctly in your DNS records list. It may take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. To check if your ENS records have been restored successfully, use an ENS-related tool or service. Monitoring changes using a blockchain explorer can also help verify your ENS records. Remember to keep your domain and ENS-related information updated as needed. Now your ENS records should be successfully restored with your GoDaddy account integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.